bring it here, we'll change it. Then I won't charge you. Because sometimes these tabs can break if you, you know what I mean? I don't want you to break the tabs. And thank you for the food, delicious. As you can see, we still have some left. I'm gonna eat it tomorrow. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah.
So yun, magandang araw na naman mga kabiyero. So ang araw ngayon ay Wednesday. So yun, pupuntahan ko lang yung aking truck. Bibisitahin ko dahil ang sabi nila ay matatapos within this day. At baka bukas magkakabiyahe ako. So linis-linis lang ako ng konti sa aking RV. Nire-ready ko na kasi start na naman ng camping season. At yan, fully book na siya. Fully book na yung aming RV by this summer. So aking ipiprepare lang. Yun. At bisitahin natin yung aking truck kung anong naging itsura at anong nangyari. So kasama ko lang natin ko lang yung aking mag-ina at meron din kaming pupuntahan.
Bakit parang wala silang customer?
By request. Ang nag-detail ng truck.
What's that?
Pansit.
Pansit doon sa
Nag-minute ng truck. Ito. Joseph. Hello! Ayos lang! Ha? Oh, maya ha, at ako lang may nilalakad. Mga 5 to 6 siguro, maliwanag pa naman eh. Sige, okay. Oh, sige. Okay, thank you.
Anong gagawin mo doon?
Treno lang.
So magkano ang charge mo? 60?
60, bago ito yung 69. Okay, mababay ako ng pansit.
Ito ba ang mag-charge? 60?
Treno lang naman yun. Ganyan naman talaga yung charge yun. 30 lang isang gulo. So, punta na tayo sa truck. Wala pala din yung pagkaliwa. Init. So papunta na ako sa truck at as by requested do sa previous na punta ko, requested na ng panset. So ano nangyari dun? Susuka?
Napagod, nagja-jogging.
Parang kilala kayo na. Hindi ko kilala ko. So tapos na yung 2 weeks vacation. Back to work na ulit. Then may plano ulit na magbakasyon by September naman. So yun, yan talaga ang buhay. Trabaho, tapos pasarap. Laging may sarap, laging may hirap. So puntahan lang namin yung truck kung ano ng update.
Pwede ka pa dito.
Doon naman tayo, lumigo sa kabila. Sa kabila na. Ay, nalilikuan ko. So nandito na ako sa east side as per requested, para naman pambawi sa ginawa nilang repair sa truck ko. Justin? Where's Justin?
Thank you. If he's still here or not. Is he expecting you?
I called
Oh, tell me your name.
Ryan.
Ryan. Justin to the front for a customer. Justin.
Oh. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Can I check it out? Can I check it out and give these things to them? Oh, okay. And then where do you want me to put these things? Okay, this is a big pancit and the Shanghai.
We have a fridge.
Yeah, that's why I ordered a big one. I guess so. Where's June? Maybe I should talk to June or. So I can let him know about this food.
June wasn't in the back when I went either.
Okay, so possible that I can pick up the truck tomorrow morning? Because I have to call my dispatch then because I just give the availability for work tomorrow. 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay, then I just gonna give these foods to. Yeah, okay. Or just talk to him. Talk to her so she will know. Give me a shout. Yeah, give me a shout tomorrow morning around 7 or 8 before I drop by. It's just only the decals is missing. Okay. 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 You want me to surprise, eh? Okay. Okay, sounds great. Dustin, I appreciated you. Thank you very much. So I just give this food to Danica. Yeah. Okay. Okay, sounds great. Thank you. Bye.
Are you still on the phone? No. Alrighty, so.
Yeah, because I just been requested this pancit and lumpia for as a
Okay.
Filipino food.
Awesome.
Even those, and they said it's for all of you guys. So
Awesome.
yeah.
Thank you. Okay, I'll put
Yeah.
that in the fridge.
Okay, I didn't even know that he gonna left early. So
It's not really early. He leaves usually around 2:30.
yeah, I didn't even know that she left 2:30. So yeah, okay,
Okay.
I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.
Thank you.
So wala si Justin, but iniwan ko na lang yung pancit. Iinit na lang siguro nila dyan. So ayaw niya ipakita sa akin. Ayaw nila ipakita sa akin yung truck. Ayaw nila ipakita sa akin yung truck. Surprise daw. Pero bukas daw ng maga. Okay na daw siya bukas ng maga. So decals na lang ang kulang. Wala na rin si Justin, umuwi na rin eh. Pero yung mga Pilipino naroon.
Ano hindi nakatingin si Justin?
Eh bukas nalalagay lang sa rep. Then yan na lang daw bukas ng umaga. So bala ko silipin doon sa pinto. Nililinis daw eh. So yun. Sa Eastside Felicia. Hello.
Thank you.
No problem. So dito na ako sa Eastside. Justin? Where's Justin?
You're picking me up as well?
Yeah.
I need some signatures and I'll get Justin up here. That's for MPI. Just a claim. Just need
Name?
your name and then sign. Name, then sign, and name, then sign.
You could do one up
Fill out
there.
everything.
Yeah, yeah.
See you later.
Okay, yeah, we'll call you Friday the 2nd, and then if you need something to drive, we'll have it a day or so.
Justin to the front for a customer. Justin. Alrighty, thank you. Did you want to do the payment now while we're waiting for him?
Yeah. And he told me 800.
Pardon?
He told me 800, right?
Yeah, so it's 870. It's 879.56.
Where is he?
I just paged him. Do you want to wait for him, or that's why I was just wondering if you want to do the payment while we're waiting for him. But
Okay.
I paged him. He's here. He knows you're coming.
I thought he left already. Did you try the pancit?
Pardon?
Have you tried the pancit in the shop? The
I
lumpia?
have not tried it yet. I don't know what they did with it. I don't know if they ate it all or on their own or what. It was not offered. Alrighty.
That sound in has it got. Authorization. So final repair signature. Oh.
Yes.
What is this?
So.
Replace?
No, that's just check and adjust to make sure they're aimed properly.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Give me 1 second, I'll grab your keys.
Okay. Ito yung invoice. Umabot ng 18,470.
All right, my friend, let's go have a look.
Where is it?
Oh, front.
It's in the front. I didn't see it.
No?
No.
I'm surprised. It's very shiny.
Oh, it's right there. So, yun. Nice.
Yeah, it looks good. Here's your keys.
So, yeah, nice. Well, how about here? Still high?
No. That's see? It's just because these move a little bit. It's the same thing on the other side, but they're not the same. See what I mean?
Yeah.
It's impossible. But when they're sturdy, the gap's good. Gap's the same on both sides.
Is this just pop up or what?
You can buy the cover, yeah.
Just to stick it here?
You
or?
can, if you want. But no, but you got to take off the bezel. But you can buy a new cover, yeah.
Yeah, I'm planning to replace one to make it look nicer.
It's still pretty good. Oh, it's peeling.
Yeah. So just pop
You
it
gotta
up here?
pop the bezel out a little bit because this clips in. So you just pop it out. If you want, you know what? If you want to buy this, bring it here. We'll change it. Then I won't charge you. Because sometimes these tabs can break if you, you know what I mean. I don't want you to break the tabs.
Yeah. Nice and clean.
Yeah, the guys wanted to make it very nice for you. So those up there, I have stainless steel torque bolts coming in for you.
Oh, they didn't remove that stain there as well? Is there like
They tried to get everything. Yeah, they put
worried- I'm just
polished
worried.
it and everything too.
I'm just worried about the stain. So that one just need to replace that one, eh?
I'm replacing all 4.
Yeah, I mean those 4 rivets. That's
Yeah.
the only one making ugly, eh? Those rivets-
They were leaking at the bottom.
Sorry?
They were leaking out of the bottom. Those aren't rivets. Those are torque bolts.
So it's leaking?
No,
No? Oh, okay.
that the rust was leaking off of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they're gonna be in next week, and those are stainless steel, so they'll look good up there.
Next week, but on what date?
Monday or Tuesday.
Monday or Tuesday?
Yeah.
Maybe I should go for a trip first.
I
Or I
will-
can bring it by Friday next week.
Oh yeah, there's no issues there. You can just
Yeah.
pop by next time I have them, and we can put them in for you.
This one is oh. So everything's good now?
Yeah,
Yeah, just
they did the
gonna
tires.
do
So
paint.
those are everything's clean. They used aluminum cleaner on it, So now you don't. Now they were not gonna. Don't let them charge you for cleaning the rims before they polish, because it's already done.
Yeah, I have this. I have the purple chemical to polish this.
You have
But I'm just gonna try it.
it. Try it.
But it's too rough, eh?
It is. Yeah, that's only gonna come off with a polish.
Yeah, I'm just.
That's road.
Yeah, that's why I asked you. I told you to just try to pick it up today. I just gonna try to paint this one with the black one. I have paint.
Yeah?
I have paint already to paint it.
Cool.
And those, because I have no chip yet, so I
No.
have time to
Do some
Do
touch-ups. Cool.
So that's everything now.
Everything's good, my friend. They tried to give me a hard time about the hood shocks. I said, change the hood shocks.
Why?
Oh, they said, well, you know, because they didn't want to cover, they didn't want to put a bumper on, they didn't want to do the shocks. And then I said, why not? They missed it.
Yeah.
We also changed the rad seal as well, like the rubber, because it was damaged.
Yeah. It's
They said, well, I said, it's clearly from the accident.
Yeah.
I talked to the estimator. He says, okay, I'll talk to the adjuster. He talked to Deborah. Adjuster called me. He said, yeah, okay, well, we're going to approve it all.
That's
So-
what they saw it also when they check it.
Yeah.
So I don't know why they didn't take hard from you to.
Well, it was just because I guess the adjuster the estimator has seen that this is the second time.
Yeah.
So he's like, well, what was related and what wasn't? It wasn't Deborah, it was the estimator. But then he talked to Deborah, and Deborah told him to approve everything. So it's all good. Yeah, everything's good. Hood opens and closes really nice, really good. Yeah, everything's good.
Yeah, just gonna try it.
Inside, yeah, have a look.
So you got the decals where? Here?
Yeah, I got them from. No, we didn't do them. We brought a decal person in to do them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I thought you asked it from
Henner
ours.
usually does them, but this is an 03 on a claim, and I didn't want you to come here and not have the decals on there.
Yeah.
I wanted it all to be done.
Yeah.
So I called him in. The only reason he did them yesterday or this morning is because this color he had to bring in.
Oh, the same color, eh?
Yeah. It's I guess that's why they Penner always does them. It's a different color.
Yeah.
It's hard to get.
So yeah,
But yeah, no, it looks good. Inside really looks good.
I'm just gonna try to use my purple polishing cream.
Yeah, have a look, see what it looks like. It'll probably brighten them up quite a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, brother.
Okay.
Thank you for the
I
food,
appreciate.
man.
I appreciated you.
Oh, me too, man. And thank you for the food. Delicious. As you can see, we still have some left. I'm gonna eat it
Oh, yeah?
tomorrow. Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
But did you just remove the bumper to check the inside as well?
We had to take all of it off. So everything came off. Everything came off the bumper. We had to
Yeah.
change that lower spoiler.
Yeah, cause I just got the used. I just bought the used one, the stainless bug deflector.
the bug deflector?
Yeah, cause this one is newly painted. I don't wanna get like stone chips.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no, for sure.
and to make it a little bit nicer. So okay,
All right, brother.
thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
I always appreciate you.
I appreciate you
So
too.
see you by next week.
Yeah, and
Friday.
we'll get those bolts. And if you're gonna do that, if you're gonna do the mirror cover,
Yeah, try to buy.
just bring it here and we'll do it here for you.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
brother,
See ya.
Thank you.
You give me the key, right? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. So yan, nagawa na ng ayos. Maganda na yung alignment oh. At yung detail nila, yan, na-detail nila ng maganda. Ayos, parang bago. Malinis. Diba? Parang bago. Ito lang, natanggal nila. So didikit ko na lang ito dito. Alright. Ang kinis oh. Right on. So yan, at iuwi ko muna. At meron lang akong gagawin dito para magmukhang malinis pa ang labas. So yun, schedule ko na papalitan ng salamin. So papalitan ko lang din ng chrome doon para magmukhang malinis. So nalinis din yung sa yung dumi doon. Natanggal din. Alright, bango. Ang bango-bango, ang linis. Nice. nice and clean. So yun at ready na rin ako para ano, bago bumiyahe, palinis, habang nalinis to may gagawin lang ako at may kakabit din ako. So yun, let's get it on. So yan, nakapark na ako rito sa aking parkingan. So inspectionin lang natin. So yan, bagong pintura pala pati loob. Bagong loob eh, oh. Yan, ganyan ang gawa. Oh, ganyan ang gawa. Oh, bago lahat. Bago pintura pati loob. Pati ito bago. Sabi niya bago din daw ang condenser eh. Oy, bago nga. Bago rin ang condenser. Bago. Diba? Bago rin yung decal, pinalitan nila. So maganda na yung lapat. Ayos. Suabe. Suabeness. Yan, wala na yun. Malinis na. Malinis na. So yan. Okay na lahat. Pinalitan din nun sa ilalim. Palit din. Palit. Pinalitan. Yan o. Pinalitan din to. Palit. Pero bakit ganun pa rin? May gap pa rin siya. So anyway, it's better than before. Good. So mahalaga, malinis na. At saka maganda na yung alignment. Hindi kagaya dati. So yan, papolish na lang. So yun na lang, babalik ko na lang daw next week. So polish ko na lang siguro yan, mga chrome na yan. So ang aking ilaw, bili akong pintura, pinturahan ko to. Ganyan, pinturahan ko yung mga nagra-rust. So yun, all good in the hood. At bukas wala pa akong biyahe. Ano na lang muna ako siguro, mag inspection ako ng truck, tanggalin ko ibang mga kaya ko pang tanggalin. Ito, tanggalin yung pintura, kakasabit nito. So yun, natanggalin ang worry ko eh, kasi kakalawang dun. So yun, pinturahan ko na lang yung mga iba na yan. I-grind ko, mapping. So yun, all good. So yun, at babalik na ako sa biyahe by Saturday. At ayun, maganda naman naging resulta. At least brand new yung hood. Pati insulation pala bago. So yun, ito lang ang luma. So okay lang, at least bumalik siya sa dati, unlike before. So yun, maraming salamat. At magkita-kita tayo sa biyahe. At tapos na ang bakasyon. At hataw na naman. At kailangan na natin na namang pumondo at para makapagbakasyon ulit. So yun, maraming salamat. Ingat po lahat. Keep safe and keep on trucking.